Hello friends, welcome back to Online Maths Up. Okay, so you can see this interesting exponential equation right there. So this is 5 power x plus 7 is equal to 7 power x plus 2. So how are you going to be solving this to actually obtain the value of x that will satisfy this problem? Okay, so that is what we're going to be doing in this video. But of course, if you're new to our channel, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification icon so that you will always get notified each time we release new content. And then of course, you can always share this video with your friends so that will also get to enjoy it. So having said that, let us now proceed. We're just going to be using one of the properties of indices, which basically says that if we have a power, let's say c plus b, you can actually expand this as a power c and then multiply by a power b. Okay, so if I apply that here, this left hand side now changes to 5 power x and then multiply by 5 power 7. I can also apply same at the right hand side. Then I'm going to be having 7 power x and then multiply by 7 power 5. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is just to find a way to group the ones that has x on one side and then the ones containing numbers on the other side. So the first thing I will do is just to divide through by this 7 power x. Okay, so that, let me also put it right here, 7 power x, and because I also want to eliminate this 5 power 7 right here, I will also divide through by 5 power 7. Okay, multiply by 5 power 7, so that this is actually going to cancel this and then this will cancel this. Okay, so I'm left with 5 power x over here divided by 7 power x is equal to 7 power 5 divided by 5 power 7. Okay, so this is what I have, and then you can see that at the left hand side here that the denominator and the numerator have x in common, so I can actually factor that out. So this now becomes 5 over 7 and then raised to power x is equal to, so since nothing is common here, I can just go ahead to leave this one as it is, 7 power 5 divided by 5 power 7. Okay, so if I continue from here, I'm actually going to be taking the log of both sides so that I can bring this unknown to the base. Okay, if I do that, I'm going to be having log 5 divided by 7 power x is equal to log 7 power 5 divided by 5 power 7. Okay, so using the property of log, which said that if you have log, let's say a power b, you can actually write it as b multiplied by log a. I'm going to use this to simplify this, so that I'm going to be having x multiplied by log 5 over 7. Okay, and that will be equal to, I'm going to leave this right hand side as it is, log 7 power 5 divided by 5 power 7. Okay, so if I continue from here, I can actually use another property of logarithm, which of course say that if we have, let's say, log a divided by b, you can actually write these as log a minus log b. Okay, so if I use this over here, we're going to be having x into log 5 minus 7. Okay, and it's equal to, I will also do that in the right hand side, so it will be equal to log 7 power 5 and then minus log 5 power 7. Okay, so moving on, I will utilize the property of logarithm we used earlier on. So I am actually going to bring these powers down. So I'm going to be having x into log 5 minus, sorry, this is log 7. Okay, so let me write it fine here. Log 7 is equal to, so I'll bring down this 5 log 7 minus 7 log 5. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is just to divide through by the coefficient of x, which is log 5 minus log 7. Okay, so I will also do that here. So this is log 5 minus log 7. This is actually going to cancel this. Eventually our x now becomes 5 log 7 minus 7 log 5. Okay, divided by log 5 minus log 7. And of course, this is actually going to be the value of x. You can actually maybe press this in your calculator so that you have a definite value for x. But this is basically how you solve questions like this. Let me know if you've understood this in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. Like this video, and then of course turn on the notification icon so that you will always get notified each time we release new content. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.